Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and it's been quite a while that I've done this kind of video, so let's do a 5-minute makeup look, and for that I'm using the Fay Beauty gift bundle, and that is how it looks like. Now it does contain the Fay Beauty Brush mascara, so this is like a multi-purpose mascara. Then you also get one buildable matte lipstick. Now if you purchase this bundle, you also get one buildable matte lipstick absolutely free, and that's not all. You also get many goodies in this bag. So firstly you get this tote bag absolutely free, and it is so my vibe. And with this you also get some stickers, and you also get this embroidered brooch absolutely free, and you would also get this beautiful delicate Fay charm inside this bundle, which looks so cute and stunning. I absolutely loved this charm. So the original price of this bundle is 1950, but for a limited time you can grab it for just rupees 1200. What could get better than this? So today I'll be creating an entire makeup look using just these 3 products from the Fay Beauty gift bundle. So if you want to know how do I create that look, then please continue watching. So I've already done my base makeup. I've simply applied some concealer on my face, but if you wish to, you can completely skip on that and do the following steps on your bare skin. Now for my blush, I'm using the Fay Beauty Buildable Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Too Much as my blush. Now I'll just apply some amount of it on my cheeks. Now these formulations are very creamy and easy to blend, and as they are named, they are buildable formulations, so you can get an easy peasy natural looking look with these, and you can also just ace up and make your look more bold, and these are perfect to do that. I would just blend it out using a brush. You can also use a sponge. In that way it would look really natural and flawless. Now these formulations are very easy to blend and buildable, that is, you can increase the intensity of your look depending on how many times you have used the product. So once I'm happy with the blush part, I'll move on to my lips. For that I'm using the other buildable matte lipstick in the bundle, which is in the shade Too Basic, and I'll be using this shade as my lipstick. Very beautiful color, and I'll simply apply this on my lips. You can use the lipstick once to get a natural color, or you can even build it up and use it multiple times to get a bold color as per your liking. Now Fay Beauty is a homegrown Indian brand, and it is 100% vegan, cruelty free and paraben free. I love the fact that they have products curated specially for Indian skin tone, and they look good on all tones of Indian skin. And yeah, that was the lipstick part. Now let's move on to the eyes. So the next multi-purpose product that I'll be using is Brush, which stands for brow and lash. Now this is a 2-in-1 mascara, which you can use as a brow gel to set your brow hair in place, and you can also use it as your mascara. So this is one of its kind in the country, and again it's a buildable formula. So if you've been following my channel since a long time, you might be knowing by now that Nidhi loves to use her mascara to set her brow hair too, but at times it can get tricky while using mascaras, as they are way too pigmented and pitch black to set the eyebrow hair. But Brush does come in 3 different color variants, so you can completely choose the one that complements you the best. So I'll quickly coat my upper and bottom lashes with Brush, wiggling the wand from the root to the tip. And that's how one coat of Brush looks on my eyes. It looks very natural, and the formula is not at all clumpy and does not make my lashes look spider-like, and that is what I really like. And if you want to, you can completely stop over here, but I like to build my mascaras and add more coats of it, so I would just add more coats of the Brush on my eyelashes. And then I'll be using the other shorter side of the wand to set my brow hair. I'll just make short upward strokes so that my brow hair gets set in place. Now if you have less dense brows than me, then brow gels are a boon, as you can effortlessly achieve those feathery brow look, and Brush is perfect for it. Now both the Brush and the buildable matte lipsticks from Fay Beauty are buildable, that is, you can easily increase the intensity by applying more amount of the product and switch from a natural look to a bold look very quickly. So those were the products from Fay Beauty and my completed 5-minute makeup look using just these these 3 products from the Fay Beauty gift bundle, and I feel like in such less amount you get makeup plus so many free goodies, which makes it the perfect gifting option to your loved one before the year ends. And I would have this gift bundle from Fay Beauty linked in the description box, and grab yours soon, because as I said before, this is a limited period offer and would get over very soon. Thank you so much to Fay Beauty for sponsoring this video. And yes, you can find the Fay Beauty gift bundle linked in the description. Kindly check that out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this simple tutorial. If you did, then hit that like button, and thank you so much for all the love and support. I would meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.